what happens when you mix a super yacht with a luxury car. You get the Rolls-Royce boat deal. Hand-built over 4 years, its design is inspired by 1930s racing boats, but the real magic happens in the back. The hosting suite features cocktail tables, matching minimalist tools, and a luxurious refrigerator built precisely to chill luxury champagne. The craziest part is that this car has only 3 in the whole world. It's not just a car, it's a $28 million experience. Would you drive this? Subscribe for more.